welcome to Garcia Blended Family. My name's Amanda. I'm gonna be showing you some overlay techniques. So these are overlays that ColorStreet sells, and you can either put them on a naked nail, which means no polish, or you can put them over a color. So some of the newer ones they have are the polka dots, palm trees. They have this gingham this gingham style. These are a little bit older ones. I had some leftover ones, which I've opened these after a year and they've been fine. But these are little love notes. They have lines, little patterns of lace. These are just like little roses. And then they also have, well, this is another kind of like flowery type one. Very cute. And what they'll do, and then here's, wait, let me show you these. So these are like a basketball. So what you can do is put your favorite team under, ooh, I'm throwing them around. Put your favorite team underneath it. So if your team's purple and yellow, you can put purple and yellow nails under it and you can customize it. Same thing with soccer or even football. So lots of fun colors to do. I'm gonna do the little palm trees today. And I'm gonna put them under this green, or over this green. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the solid nails just like I would do, I showed you last time, okay? So I don't do my nails until the end, and I like to save some of mine, so we'll do this. Now these are the solids. They're just like the other ones that I put on, except they're this pretty green tealish color. So I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna put them on all of my nails except my thumbs, because remember I use my thumbs to go around the edging. So I'm gonna save my thumbs for last, and I will do everything else and then do those with the application over it. So I'm gonna fast forward since I've already showed you how to do the solid color nails, and then I'll show you step by step how to do the applique underneath, okay? Or over top. Okay, we're gonna use these overlays. So same thing as we have these as overlays. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of these and you peel it off the same way. Ooh, my baby's mad. I'm gonna peel it off the same way. 3 parts, and now you see it's just a clear overlay. So you could put this right on your naked nail and still see it. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna put it right over. So it's actually gonna give it like a clear coat. And again, I'm just going to, and you don't have to do it on every nail. You can do it on one nail as an accent. You can do it on multiple nails. You just line it up just like you would do like a solid or a glitter or anything like that. And all I'm gonna do, so they come same amount of nails as all the rest of them. Now I didn't really file mine before because I wanted to file them together. But let me do a couple just so you can see it, because it's, do it on a longer nail. Again, you just pull the top, static cling, and you pull the back. And again, I use my nail to perforate the top. Now the only thing that you're gonna struggle with these is that you can't pick them back up and reset them. So when you do your nails and the nail lines up wrong or anything like that, you can always pick it up when you're doing the first coat and you can relay it. You can't do that if you do layers, because it'll stick to the nail polish and it'll grab the whole thing. So this is fun to do. You're going on a vacation, have some color left over. You know, you could do some nails with accent, some nails solid, some nails, we call it a naked nail, where you just do the applique over, like a clear nail, like a, let's see if you guys can see this. So see, now I could leave some without it, or I could leave some with an applicated, an overlay nail, not an applique, an overlaid nail. And so it gives, let's see if it'll focus. It gives a whole nother look to your nails. And some people, again, some people will do some with the base coat and the clear nail over it with the design, and then leave some with just nail polish, and then they'll take the applique and put it on a naked nail and just do a naked nail with just the applique, so that you have a different pattern on every nail. So I'm gonna put them on all of them because I'm going to a ColorStreet party tomorrow. So I'm gonna finish and we'll fast forward it and I'll show you what they look like at the end. One thing, so I had like a little bubble on the end of my nail, and because these are 90% dry, all I did was, you saw me just kind of push it forward, and all that did was even out, because the solid nails are a lot less forgiving. They show a little bit more, so you just want to make sure, but don't get frustrated if they don't, I'm tongue-tied tonight, don't get frustrated if they don't go on smooth or you get a wrinkle, because I found that if I just work it out like this, it'll go flat, and now it's perfectly smooth. Like, you can't see anything on it because it's not there. So doing the last one, we're doing our thumb, and then we'll be done. But it's, I mean, if you look at these, I've seen people that do multiple different colors on these underneath. Like the polka dot was super cute. My sister did like a Fire Island red under it. But then I've also seen people that have done like multicolored. So each nail's like a different color. It's rainbow. And see, I just use this because I don't want them, all my nails aren't dry. Well, they're dry, they're just not sealed. So I don't want to mess up everything I just did. So everybody has a difference. Some people use glass files. Again, I just take mine and I just use this around the edge, because sometimes you need to be careful that when you're getting the sides, that you don't rip the nail, and that make sure it's perforated, because if it's not perforated, you'll get a zigzag line. It won't be a straight line. And that's the whole beauty of these nails, is that when you put them on, you're really getting that salon look. And again, I just like to seal, or I like to, when I put my second coat on, meaning, you know, my overlay, that's when I like to file. Just because I want them to match. Okay, so now I will use, like, again, some people, they use the prep pads before. My nails are already very oily, so this I find does better if I put it on other. It kind of seals my nails for some reason. You know, we're all a little bit different. Oh, I popped my cuticle there. So I just like to do it afterwards on all my nails, and it kind of seals them. I just rub it nice, and I actually do like a firm little pressure on here. Okay, So now you can see I have, what is this? You could get together with girlfriends and do this together. I have enough for definitely somebody. You have 5 fingers, definitely could do a set of nails here and use this on your 2 big toes and these on your little toes. You have another set here, plus a whole nother strip that we didn't use of the overlays. And you also have a couple little extra ones. So like I'll save them if I can, or like we'll do, my sisters and I'll get together, or my girls will do them with us like I mentioned before, and we'll all open like 2 or 3 of them, and like 5 or 6 of us will do our nails. They'll be the same strips, like we might use the green, we might use a lighter green, a darker green, and then these, and they'll all look completely different, but we won't waste strips. So those are finished. So this is, let's see if it'll focus. So there you go. So that is, the green is called Holy Toledo, and then the palm trees over it is Palm Before the Storm. They always have the cutest names. And I just took my nails from nothing to looking like a regular manicure at a salon, and they'll be good to go. Ready for my party tomorrow after my ER shift. And now I've got, and you can tell all the palm trees are a little bit different, but ready to go. Love to do this in the car, but these accent nails or overlays are just a fun way to add something different to a solid, a glitter, accent a finger, anything you want to do. There's all kinds of uses for them. And like I said, they even have a bigger one, same size as the regular strips, so you can put them on like your toes or your thumbs, or if you have wide nail bases. So another beautiful little creation, and next time we'll show you how to do some French tips. Okay, have a great day everybody. Bye.